Okay, Kate, what would you like to say?
I'd like to say Dora.
Dora?
Yeah.
What about Dora?
I never ride the horsey with, I never ride the giraffe with Dora.
You're going to ride the giraffe with Dora.
Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Where's the giraffe?
I don't know. It's right about in the path on the road.
Well, where's Dora?
It's on the giraffe.
Oh, I see.
But take a picture of it.
Okay, let's go find it. Go show me where it is.
And I'm gonna watch Dora and Kate restaurant and that's and Kate in the show.
No, we're not going to watch TV right now. I thought you had a giraffe and Dora you were going to show me.
Well,
What do you say, Allison?
I don't want it. I don't want to take a picture.
Well, this is a movie. I'm taking a movie. You want to say something to the movie?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
I want to watch on the table, and I can sit there.
Okay, you're not supposed to be on the table.